Okay, as you open your Canvas account, you will be opening up to the dashboard where all the courses that you're currently in are available. On this particular page, we're going to look at the Canvas. Notice that here's the assignments that are available in this, and here are any of the discussions, and that's what's available here. I would recommend clicking on the class itself, and it will open you up to the Canvas, the home page. On this home page, it tells you what the course is and what we're going to do. Over here is, if you click on my picture, there's an introduction to me. I thought that was kind of cool that I could introduce myself to you. Down here we have some extra websites that can be of use to you. The MathXL will be the link to the homework assignment page where the program that we will be using. Khan Academy, Cool Math, and Hot Math are all great websites to go to if for some reason when you get the explanations you're not quite sure of something. You could go there and look for more help. This link here is just a fun little introduction to the class. It talks about the programs that we will be doing. As you come down, you notice that our first unit is a linear unit. It's a review of the things that you've already learned, and there's 4 modules for that. They're not quite open yet. If you come down here, then Unit 2 is analyzing the quadratic functions. So we're going to actually look at the graphs and we're going to analyze those. Notice that there's a coming soon, and right here, this is the date that the module will open, and this is the date the module will close. Those closing dates, you need to watch those carefully as there will be quizzes and tests that will be included in some of these modules, and you will need to take those before the module closes. Let's just click really quickly here on a module, and notice that it opens up in the modules format, and it gives you the different things that are in this module. If you click on the first one, it gives you the objective in this particular one, what it is we want to do. Notice this next button. You can click on that next button, and here it gives us a couple of links to some great explanations of what domain and range are. Notice now I have a previous button, so if I need to know what that objective is, well, maybe I want to know. I can go back, or I can just, after I've watched these videos, then I can click the next link. And here I have a quiz that I need to take. So actually it's questions. So there's our discussion questions that we will be giving, and so you need to do that. So if you don't like the home page, you could certainly hit the modules page, and there's all the different things in the module. Maybe I don't really care what the objective is, so I can skip that and come down here and watch the videos. Or maybe I, learned it well enough in when we learned about domain and range and linear that I think I understand that enough, and I can just go straight down here to the question that I need for the discussion for that week. I have a quiz and obviously a MathXL assignment that needs to be done. So I can go from there, or I can go from the home page. You've got the assignments page and the discussions. You can just click right on or go straight to the discussions and take care of what you need to. Here's my syllabus for this particular course. Maybe I need to remember the syllabus, and the syllabus has a little more information of the course and has a calendar link here. I prefer myself, I like the home page. It will give me what I need in the order that I need it, and especially will give me those the dates. You won't be able to move forward in a module until you have finished the previous model, so you need to understand that. I'm so excited to have you in my class. Glad you have joined us and hope that you enjoy taking this course.